Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Amar Sufyan. I am the product developer for Bina Cloud Tech, and today I'm going to show you one of our features that we've implemented, which is the offline mode and applicable only for mobile applications for iOS and Android. And from here you can directly save your file offline inside your phone, and without internet connection you can access them. Let me show you a quick demonstration. I'll click any folders inside, and from here you can see there's the arrow button down there. So this is the indicator for you have whether or not you have saved it offline for your documents. For example, if I swipe to the left, and there's the save offline there, so you can save your files offline, and then all the files saved offline is saved inside each module. So if you save it in Cloud Docs, it will appear in Cloud Docs. So let's say I'll save these 3 files offline, and then maybe I want to save drawings, some of the drawings. As you can see here, for drawings they also have the revisions inside, and you click on view revision. Will be a few revisions inside in each file. So when you save it offline, they will also save the revisions inside the drawings. Also they save offline. So let's say I'll save offline for the first one, and then I'll save maybe 2 drawings here. Okay, now for you to show you the magic inside our system where you can view it offline, let's say I'll turn off the internet. Go back. Okay, so these are the modules that you've saved, which is in Cloud Docs and Drawings. So this is the one that we saved just now. So you can directly delete it if you want, and the files that you save are separated between project document, work programs, and the correspondence and drawings. You can also click and view the revision that you saved inside. So this is the revision 1, and this is the revision 2. There's a lot of revisions here. And for example, if you want to delete this from your local storage, you can just simply click on the documents and then just click delete, and it automatically deleted. For example, if you click, it will open the PDF. And there you have it, folks. So this is one of our new features for offline mode, where user can directly save offline. Next, if let's say you got an internet connection, and when you got on your internet, it will directly restore your connection to your app, and you can access your files and folders as per before. So this is our new feature, and I hope all of the users can implement it in a very useful basis. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.